Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can hide your date of birth on the Gmail, because sometimes we want to hide our date of birth on the Gmail and we want that no one can see your date of birth on the Gmail. So in this video I will show you how you can hide your date of birth on the Gmail. So without wasting time, let's start video. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Gmail application. For this, go to Play Store and update your Gmail application. After that, click on Open Options, and here you will see profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it, and then you will see manage your Google account. Click on it, and then you will see personal info. Click on here, then scroll down the page and you will see birthday options. Click on here, and here you will see the options choose who can see your birthday. So click on only you. So in this way you can hide your date of birth. So if you will click on only you, then no one can see your date of birth which you have provided on the Gmail. So after that, click on save options. So in this way you can hide your date of birth on the Gmail. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.